Here I have my phone Hammer Force, and let me show you how to activate this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your welcome panel. So of course here you can choose your desired language. As you can see, this is the full list of available languages that you can use. So in my case, let me choose English, for instance, from United States. You may also choose emergency and make some emergency calls if you need something. If not, let's go back. Now let's use this key to go next. You can insert SIM card, but you can also activate your device without a SIM card, so let me do it that way. Let's tap skip for now. You can select a Wi-Fi, so it's not necessary, but I usually recommend this step so you can do more with your internet connection, with your internet access. So let me connect my device to my Wi-Fi. The phone is obtaining the IP address, the device is connected. Here we've got the Google and location services. Let me leave it enabled and let's tap next. Tap next again. Tap OK. And let me go through this tutorial. Welcome panel pops up, tap OK twice, and as you can see now you may use your device. So basically that's it. You just activate your device and set up the most crucial settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.